Okay, so Web Decode is a web exploitation challenge worth 50 points. Okay, it says, do you know how to use the web inspector? Start searching here to find the flag. Okay, so start searching here to find the flag. So we can put this in a new tab. And it says, ha, you're looking for a flag? Keep navigating. Ha, keep searching. And then it's like a troll face or something. I'm not sure. So what we need to do is we need to make use of our inspection skills. So on a web page, whenever we want to inspect the HTML source code, we can either right-click and click on View Page Source over here, or we can use the Control-U keyboard shortcut to take a look at the web page source. So Control-U is going to give us access to the web page source, and we can see here we can go through here and we can take a look at all of the contents over here. What we're basically looking for is anything that might lead to some links or some directories inside of the website that might be worth investigating. So we see here that there's a directory called IMG, so that might be interesting. So we can go back and we can do /IMG to try to access the image directory, and it says 403 forbidden, which means that we don't have permission to access this page. So this is actually good security on this web page's part, so that's fine. But we also have a bunch of links. For example, we have index.html, which is probably the page that we're on currently. We have about, and we have contact. So if we go to the about page, my music stopped. Okay, so if we go to the about page, we see the source for the about page here as well. And we see that so there's about and there's contact, and in this about page HTML source code, we see that there's a string over here. So this is kind of a suspicious looking string, because aside from your regular web page elements over here, this is kind of an anomaly. So we don't actually know what this might be. And since this is a CTF challenge, whenever we see a long string that looks kind of suspicious, we know that it could be some sort of encoded string or an encrypted string. So we can copy it, and what can we do? We can ask our good friend ChatGPT again what this is. But in fact, I think this is a base64 string. But we can always ask our good friend, is this a base64 string, and then paste it in. So it's going to tell us what the criteria for what base64 strings are. So given these characteristics, the string appears to be a base64 string. You can decode it using a base64 decoder. So there are websites that we can use to decode base64 as well. So I think there's one called base64 decode.com. Is it .com? Let's try. So base64decode.com, it's a base64 conversion utility, text convert, and we can choose between encode or decode. So we can paste this in, we can make sure that decode is selected, and we can click on convert. And that's the flag. That's it right there. So we've finished this challenge. Copy the flag, and then go back to the challenge page and paste in the flag. Click on submit, and you're done. So what this challenge teaches us is that we have to inspect the source code of web pages for anything that might be suspicious. Don't forget to go back into the challenge description and give it a thumbs up. Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.